Okay, today here we are Bukhansan mountain. We're visiting Bukhansan Fortress. So I just entered inside of Bukhansan Fortress. The first place that I came is called Muryangsa Temple. This is a temple 100 years ago. Our second to last king, concubine, actually came here and built the Buddha statue and Buddhist temple and pray and had a baby, and that baby was our last crown prince who had to go to Japan and get married to Japanese. So this is like a little historical place. But anyway, we're gonna walk around the Bukhansan Fortress, and total length of the fortress is actually 9.4 kilometers. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I'm here at Jungungsa temple site. I guess now they built the new temples here. But anyway, after building this fortress, government actually deployed 1,000 people, soldiers, and 350 Buddhist soldiers as well. So there's 11 temples were here to be in charge of this protection of the wall. But actually, this temple right here used to be the main temple. So the person who's in charge of Buddhist monk soldiers were here. But after it destroyed during when there was a flood, has not been restored. And I guess recently they built this Buddhist temple. The most important purpose of the Bukhansanseong was to be used as an emergency palace for the king. So the temporary palace was built. Behind me is the temporary palace site. So it's all destroyed when we occupied by Japan. After that, there's nobody who take care of this site. Okay, so 4 storages for supplies and food were built in this fortress, and 143 accommodations for soldiers were built also, and then 3 command posts was built for the generals to control the military. And this one over here is called Dongjangdae. It's the most important command post right here in this fortress. Wow. 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 I don't know if I can stand up. We're gonna go to the peak, okay? Wow. Okay, we're gonna go up. Okay, let's go. So I arrived here. Wow. So I come back down here. Today was a tough day. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys later with another place of interest. Okay, bye bye.